perfect retrieve, girl. Good job. Good retrieve, Kiara. Good girl. Leave it. Leave it. Good dog. That's number 4. 4th snipe today, huh, Kiara? Good girl. That's it. Good girl. Right here. Right here. Good girl. Good dog. There's number 6. Good girl. Come on, Kiara. Good girl. Good girl. Right here. Come on. Good girl. Good dog. Number 7 there. Good job, Kiara. Good dog. Good pup. Atta girl. Atta girl. Good dog. Right here. Good girl. Alright, here's me and my dog, Kiara. Been hunting here for a few hours. Down at Miko Bluff, south of Sebring, kind of southeast of Sebring, towards Okeechobee. Big shout of thanks out to Rodney Weekly for giving us Kiara. What an awesome dog. We appreciate it.